If a fox can do it, so can I. Start by procuring a jumbo pop from a pachyderm. If you can't find an elephant to hustle, have no fear. You can make these ice pops from scratch by combining cherry-flavored gelatin with a tiny bit of cornstarch and some hot water. The cornstarch will give the ice pops a soft texture, while the hot water melts with the gelatin and sugar in the Jell-O mixture. Once the mix is completely dissolved, simply pour in chilled lemonade and whisk it into the cherry gelatin. Then, carefully pour the liquid into the paw-shaped molds. Clean up any drips before popping popsicle sticks that have been cut in half into each paw. Finally, freeze the pops overnight or until fully set. These pops are sweet and tangy and drip-free, which makes them perfect for this summer heat. What fictional feast should I make next? Let me know in the comments below. If you liked this recipe, don't forget to flip that sub button and ring the dinner bell so you can be notified of my latest recipes and foodie adventures that I post every week. Do you ever get hungry? You can find this recipe and many more with ingredient amounts and step-by-step instructions over on thestarvingchefblog.com. I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next episode.